So what is the difference between a contested versus an uncontested divorce? So if you have a non-contested divorce, that simply means that you have an agreement on everything. There's nothing to fight about. Now, it doesn't mean you get along about everything, but it certainly means that you can come to an agreement about all the important things that have to be decided to resolve your marriage. That may include the children and their custody or visitation or child support. That may include the division of retirement accounts or if alimony is going to be paid. It may include even important things like a business or a home. It may include bank accounts or cars or insurance. There's a million things that could play into it. What's got to happen, though, is you've got to determine, are we able to reach an agreement that we may not both love, but we can both live with? Because when you open yourself up to a contested divorce, it gets into a whole different ballgame where you're putting your life and your children, your family, and your financial stability in the hands of a judge, some third party who doesn't know you. And so if you're willing to fight it out, it can absolutely be worth the risk. But if you and your spouse can reach a non-contested divorce agreement, that takes the money and the time and the stress way down in your case. There are some counties in Alabama where a contested divorce could take 2 years or more and cost $10, $20, $40,000 or more, depending on what's going on in your case. A contested divorce can cost $500 plus your filing fee and can get done within about a month and a half. Once you sign an agreement, the complaint, the deposition, the answer, all the things that we would put together for your family to sign, and once those get submitted to the court, the judge has to wait 30 days before he or she can sign off on your divorce. Once that time frame is run, our office submits what's called a proposed order to the court that simply lets the court adopt your agreement as the order of the court and divorce you from one another.